Hi. Now that you've watched the two other videos showing you how to open the Windows Explorer and how to navigate to your flash drive, the next thing to learn is how to create a folder. You're going to need folders to save your homework for this semester, so I want to make sure you know how to do that. At the moment we're looking at the Windows Explorer at my flash drive, which I've already taught you how to confirm by looking in your address bar, and at the moment it's also empty because we haven't put anything in there, but that's about to change. I'm going to point at the New Folder button that's on my toolbar at the top of the screen and click it one time. When I do that, it creates a new generic folder, and it calls it New Folder because it doesn't know what else to call it. Notice that the name is highlighted in blue, which means that those letters are selected just the way they might be in your email typing or your Word typing. I can replace those letters by simply typing something different. So I'll type computer class, and then I'll press my enter key to finalize it. So now I've given that folder a meaningful name. That's where I'll put my homework for my computer class. Let's create another one. Again, I'll click the New Folder button. It gives me a new generic folder, and I'll type math class, and then I'll press my enter key. In this manner, I can create as many folders as I need by simply clicking the New Folder button and then typing in a meaningful name. Notice down here in the navigation pane, I can see the two folders that I've created inside of my flash drive. Let's see what it's like to create a subfolder. For instance, in the computer class, there will be homework for different subtopics. I will double-click on that folder to open it up. I can see my visual confirmation up here in my address bar. I'm on my computer, on my flash drive, in the computer class folder, and I'll click the New Folder button again. I'll make a folder for Word and press my enter key. I'll click New Folder again. I'll make a folder for Excel and press my enter key. And one more time I'll click New Folder and I'll make one for PowerPoint and press my enter key. In this manner, I can create subfolders for any existing folder. So I have on my computer, on my flash drive, in my computer class folder, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint folders. And just as before, all I have to do is double-click any one of them to go inside it. You can see up here in the address bar that I'm now inside the Excel folder for my computer class folder on my flash drive. Maybe I'd like to make a folder in my Documents folder. The key is I have to first go to Documents. Location, location, location. You go to where you want the folder to be created first. Always your first step. So I'll click on the New Folder button, and perhaps I'd like a folder for personal files. I'll type in personal and press my enter key. I'll click New Folder again. Perhaps I'd like a folder for finances. I can create as many folders as I want in this location. The trick is that I go to where I want the folder to be before I start creating it. I can navigate back and forth here in the navigation pane. If I go to my flash drive, there's the two folders I made. Click on Computer Class. There's the three subfolders I made. And notice over here in the navigation pane, if I click that little white arrow next to Computer Class, it shows me what I have inside of that folder. So remember, when you want to create a folder, you have to go to where you want the folder to be. You click the New Folder button, and while you see that blue highlight, you type in a meaningful name and then press your enter key.